Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. Wayne County trails are growing thanks to the Richmond Parks and Recreation Department. Currently, the county is planning a hard surface handicap accessible ramp from the Cardinal Greenway trail down into Springwood Lake Park. Access to the park will create a new trailhead for the north section of the trail within the Richmond city limits.
No real ample place for people to park or picnic or to stop or get easy access to a public restroom facility. This rampway will provide that access in a safe, great park facility.
The project is funded and led through the nonprofit organization Cardinal Greenway Incorporated. Most people use the Cardinal Greenway to escape the rat race, but in Losantville, the rats have taken to the trail. Newslink Indiana's Barbara Anderson reports.
Residents in Losantville are trying to get rid of rats.
We saw them and we realized that they were there and it was a war, and we had to take the battle to the rats.
Losantville is 30 minutes south of Muncie, just off US 35. Randolph County Sanitarian Rick Brown says the rat problem along the undeveloped Cardinal Greenway is probably coming from a vacant trailer home and a trash heap just behind the home of Georgiana Brox.
Some of it might be mine, but not all of it. This big stuff, the old beds and refrigerators and all that is not mine.
But the Randolph County Board of Health issued Brox an order of abatement to clean up the trash. Just this past weekend, concerned citizens got together to try and clean up the rat problem.
They were getting in my trailer, they were getting everywhere, so we took our traps over there and, we baited them with bait, and then we also trapped them.
If the Brox family does not have the trash removed by May 7th, the county could take the issue to court. In Losantville, Barbara Anderson, Newslink, Indiana.
The State Board of Health, along with the County Health Department, will investigate where the rats are coming from and how to get rid of them. And now here's Ryan Miller with a look at today's forecast. Ryan.
Thanks a lot, Chris. The warm day we saw yesterday is going to continue today. Thank you very much to this warm front that is going to continue across east central Indiana. Cold front's going to bring some drastic changes, though, for Thursday. Tomorrow, though, in Marion, look for some more scattered thunderstorms. A high of 70 degrees elsewhere around east central Indiana. 72 in Newcastle, 72 in Anderson, 70 up in Hartford City. Should be a great day out there. So your forecast, some more storms, some of them could possibly be severe. Chris?
Thanks, Ryan. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tonight for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.